Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up and suddenly you can speak English confidently. How would your life change? You could make new friends, travel anywhere, and grab better opportunities. The good news is you don't need perfect grammar to start. You only need a few daily English sentences. So, good morning everyone. Today, I would like to talk about daily used English sentences. Many people think English is difficult. They spend years learning grammar, but they still hesitate to speak. The truth is, English becomes easy when we use it every day. Think about it. Every day we say the same things. Good morning. How are you? Thank you. Excuse me. See you later. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful. They help us communicate with confidence. Here are some useful daily English sentences. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. Could you help me, please? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. If you use these sentences every day, your confidence will grow little by little. Remember, practice is more important than perfection. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson makes you a better English speaker. Let me share a simple formula. Learn one sentence. Speak it 5 times. Use it in real life. Repeat every day. If you follow this habit, after 1 year, you will know hundreds of useful English sentences. Finally, I would like to end with a beautiful quote. The best way to learn English is not to study it every day, but to use it every day. So, let's promise ourselves that from today, we will learn at least one new English sentence every day and use it with confidence. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a wonderful day.